Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you?
The farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer milks the cow, the farmer milks the cow. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer milks the cow. The farmer feeds the pigs, the farmer feeds the pigs. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer feeds the pigs. The farmer gathers eggs, the farmer gathers eggs. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer gathers eggs. The farmer plants the seeds, the farmer plants the seeds. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer plants the seeds. The farmer picks the corn, the farmer picks the corn. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer picks the corn. The farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell.
Oh, hi everyone.
Oh, thanks for joining us. Welcome to Sing Along With
Tobee. Yay! Hey, Katie, I've always wondered, can dogs clap?
That's an interesting question. I don't think so. Not like humans can. But you know what they can do? They can wag their tail. They can wag it slow or fast.
Like this, Katie?
Yeah, you got it.
You know what else I've always wondered? Can gorillas clap?
Oh, yeah. They've got really big hands. And they can thump their chest like this. Thump, 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 thump.
Thump, 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 thump. Cool.
You know, there's a whole song about things animals can do.
Really?
It's called Wag Your Tail. I'll teach you the song and some moves you can do too. Get ready to follow along. Here we go.
Hit it, Katie.
Clap, clap, clap your hands with me. Clap them fast.
Clap them slow.
Clap your hands with me. Let's wag our tail like a dog. Wag, wag, wag your tail with me. Wag it fast.
Wag it slow.
Wag your tail with me. Let's thump our chest like a gorilla. Thump, thump, thump your chest with me. Thump it fast.
Thump it slow.
your chest with me. Let's bend our knees like a camel. Bend, bend, bend your knees with me. Bend them fast.
Bend them slow.
Bend your knees with me. Let's wiggle our ears like a hippopotamus. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle your ears with me. Wiggle them fast.
Wiggle them slow.
Wiggle your ears with me. Nice job, everyone. What was your favorite part of the song?
I like bending my knees like a camel.
You know what was also fun? Wiggling my ears like a hippopotamus. Hey, I have an idea. Instead of waving goodbye using my hand, I'm gonna wiggle my ears.
Oh, you have the best ideas, Katie.
Thanks, Tobee. And thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time on Sing Along with Tobee. Bye.
Bye-bye.
The Bumble Nums. Today, the Bumble Nums are going to make a giant, tricky, sticky rice dumpling. But what's the secret ingredient? 6 handfuls of tricky, sticky rice. The Bumble Nums are in the rice paddy. They're waiting for the tricky, sticky rice to be ready to pick. Right, Stumble? Yum! Yum! Right, Humble?
Yum.
Right, Grumble? Yum! Yum, yum! Look! The tricky, sticky rice is getting super sticky. Now remember, Bumble Nums, we need 6 handfuls of tricky, sticky rice. Yum! Looks like the rice picked you, Grumble. Yum, yum. That rice isn't called tricky for nothing, is it, Humble?
Yum, yum.
Yum, yum, yum. Careful, Stumble. Yum! Careful, Grumble. Yum. Yum! Yum!
Yum, 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 yum.
Yum, 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 yum! 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 Yum, yum! I think this tricky, sticky rice might be too tricky. Run for it, Bumble Nums! Yum, 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 yum!
Yum, yum,
Whew. Close call, Bumble Nums. That was a sticky situation. Do you think you got 6 handfuls of tricky, sticky rice? Yum! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, Bumble Nums, you've done it again. Now dig in. Yum, yum, yum. How does it taste, Bumble Nums?
Yum!
Yum, 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 yum.
Bye bye, goodbye.